Men of Reddit. If you burped in front of your girlfriend and she responded back with a louder burp, how would you react? High five. I'm going to burp back. No way in hell is she winning. Well, I mean, she just issued me a challenge. She threw the gauntlet down, I have to pick it up. Respect. Proposal. Look her dead in the eye and shit my pants. Dominance must be asserted. The last girl I dated, I farted in bed with her. She forced out a fart back at me. She was the last cuss, we're married now. A louder burp, obviously.